The idea of bringing your own device into the classroom is on the rise. This has sparked a debate about how to best implement technology in schools. This video serves as both entertainment and informative.
Those who are for bring your own device want children to bring their own technological devices into the classroom.
People who are against bring your own device want to rely on the government funding for technology in the classroom.
Sounds like a simple answer, right? Not quite. There are a few difficulties that arise with bring your own device.
One of the difficulties is the learning curve this can create. It can also be embarrassing for kids who do not have advanced technological devices or technological devices at all. It also can make cheating in the classroom more prevalent. For children without their own device, there is the issue that arises with loaning out technology. Finally, the use of one's own technological device in the classroom can be distracting to both the student using it and others around them.
I wish I had a smartphone. Kids whose parents do not have the means to provide them with technology may feel excluded or embarrassed. This could potentially isolate them further and prevent them from thriving in the classroom.
Another thing to consider is the learning curve that bring your own device can create.
With BYOD, there is a great possibility that there will be a wide variety of technology in the classroom. This can make it difficult for teachers to assist their students in the classroom, as they may not be accustomed to their students' technology.
Another problem with BYOD is the potential for cheating.
When kids have their own technological devices, it is easier for them to find ways to cheat.
But isn't that the case with any type of classroom technology, not just bring your own device? Classroom technology is much easier to regulate than technology that is brought from home.
Additionally, unmonitored classroom technology can become a huge distraction.
Some of the main distractions are email, browsing the web, and social media.
This is not to say that bring your own device is not without benefits. In fact, technology in the classroom can greatly benefit children.
For example, BYOD would greatly decrease the amount of money the school would have to generate to provide classrooms with technology. Another pro would be increasing productivity because students would be familiar with the devices they would use.
So what are you? Pro bring your own device or anti bring your own device?